a beautiful ride up here to the old Red Barn. Anytime I come up there, it's on Route 5 between Monroe and Greenwood Lake, and it's a great place to ride sport bikes.
Today promises to be the hottest days of the year so far. May even go into the high 80s. I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, this is funny, and I thought I'd share this because I know a lot of people are watching this while they're having their coffee in the morning. So, and this is something I guess we all agree on after the last, I don't know, maybe we should have agreed on it 20 years ago or more. I like to only ride in the summer up to a certain point I have marked on my little thermometer, and I have summer riding gear. Now, not everybody has summer riding gear. Yeah, you can spend a couple $100 on a pants and a jacket, the vented, and you can ride right up. I think my thing goes to about 88 or 90 degrees, and then I just say, I'm going home. But anyway, I ordered a brand new set of pants from Joe Rocket. I had read the reviews, and they have the latest armor in them. And my old Tourmaster pants, they're 10 years old. One of the side zippers is giving way now. And I know they don't have the latest armor. They don't have, because I bought them 10 years ago. So if I like these pants, what I'll do, I'm going to wear them a while, and I'm going to see they have the matching jacket. So not that the matchy makes sense, but the armor does. And that's the thing. In the winter, you see a lot of people riding with leather jackets, leather pants, but it's not a problem. In the summer, as soon as it gets a little hot, oh, I think I'll ride with shorts today. I think I'll ride in my underwear. I think I'll ride totally nude, whatever. And boy, we all know, and we all know firsthand, this is not a good thing. And a final little news for anybody that's been following the channel for restoring this bike, almost 200 videos or 200 days or how many hours or whatever, I think around 500 hours. We pretty much have given up on the idea Rob is going to be able to ride in the next month or so for two reasons: the coronavirus, and his company, of course. He's one of the top dogs or whatever they are. Or maybe he's the only dog, I don't know. Or he's a dog biscuit, I'm not sure. But anyway, because of his employment, and of course because I think he's a great daddy and does not want to break away from his family during this crazy time. So I decided next week I'm going to take, and probably 3 or 4 days in a row, I'm going to take the bike out, get some miles on it, make sure everything's okay. It's already got fresh oil, filter, and it is absolutely ready to go. And so I'm really sad that that thing didn't work out where we could have a party and everything for Rob. I thought that would be such a nice thing. But, you know, as Karen reminds me all the time, you know, you have to go to Army with the war you have. And here's a perfect example right here. So, of course, our day always starts out with, I try to get up early in the warm weather. I like to get all my chores done around the house. And I in this case, take care of our hundreds and hundreds of plants and tomatoes, and feed the fish, feed the birds, feed me. And then, once that's done, it's time. And in this case today, it's an FZR day to get out on the open road and get some wind blowing over that windshield. Now don't pretend you're not hungry in the morning. Nobody got up early and made me a bagel for breakfast, but I get up early and I feed you guys. And so many people have told me that they enjoy seeing Karen's garden every morning. They're having their coffee. I talked to Joe Padula yesterday, and he's going to be doing some work, I think, in the near future with Luciano. So I know everybody likes to see the garden. And believe it or not, we are eating every night vegetables from our vegetable garden. Virtually every night now. For the whole next maybe 4 or 5 months, we'll basically have an unlimited supply of veggies. And one of our tomato plants already has buds for tomatoes, but the flowers, the zinnias, and we have to thank, I always have to thank, Nanda Navola. If you only knew how this addiction has grown. It is. I hope once in a while Nanda gets to see what she's done to Karen and I. It's amazing. We put a lot of stuff here. A lot of stuff in the garden. Nanda, thank you. And it's really hard to believe, but 6-7 months from now, there'll be a painting table out here, and we'll be grinding and bondoing and hammering and whatever. But right now, it's a beautiful garden, and thank you, Karen.
This is so nice. Chris knew that I was going to ride the FZR today, so she went and put on the FZR shirt. It matches, Bert. I should get a shirt that matches. You always do a final check on the weather, and it's, well, just like yesterday. There's like a 30% chance of rain, but we're going to take a chance anyway. Such a nice warm day, it won't even matter. Now this is a beautiful ride up here to the old Red Barn. Anytime I come up here, it's on Route 5 between Monroe and Greenwood Lake, and it's a great place to ride sport bikes. Is your lettuce okay? Are we gonna have lettuce tonight? Come on, there's my tomato. Where's your lettuce? They had a great ride up by the old Red Barn. Hey, I was thinking of you when I was by the Red Barn. It is a nice area up there by Route 5. It's actually Route 5, and it goes north even past Monroe. Nice area to ride.
I have some in the house.
We gotta find a way to grow $20 bills. You think that's gonna happen?
Figure it out.
We're growing lettuce. Who doesn't want to come back from a ride? Now, I'll be honest. This is really embarrassing. This bike has no fuel reserve. There's none. It goes a certain amount of miles, and it runs out of gas, and there's no reserve. So, I always keep track of it. I take about 15 miles less, and I buy gas. About 110 miles. I never push it. Well, today I was having such a good ride. Look at the sky. Look at. It's like heaven on earth here. I forgot all about the mileage until all of a sudden I'm up past Greenwood Lake and I just, uh-oh, 135. Oh, we're in big trouble. And luckily, 3 or 4 miles down the road was a gas station. But this, This is the problem of being an old geezer. It's a big problem too. Anyway, I know somewhere on here, I'll try to get the footage. This thing, I almost wore it out today. I don't know why, there were so many cops out today. It was like a free-for-all, and I just keep getting these warning signs in and up over the hill. I don't think I could ride a motorcycle. If this has to be replaced, money is no object. But anyway, so to make a long story short, we took advantage of a really, really wonderful day. I want to thank all the healthcare workers, of course, before I end the video. And my God, we are so lucky to have people that are real heroes around us, all around us too. So, as I always say, I enjoy making the videos, I enjoy sharing them, and most of all, I hope you enjoy them. So, if you're Joe Padula having a cup of coffee right now, put a little extra windy cream in it. Okay, hopefully we'll be riding tomorrow. Thanks for watching.